Thanks to an early announcement for China, we know the bulk of what makes the next OnePlus phone so special, at least on paper. We'll have to keep waiting for global models to arrive in our hands sometime in early 2024, but for now, here's what we know. Based on this early reveal, the company has decided to iterate on the OnePlus 11's overall design, keeping the bulk of its chassis unchanged while tweaking a few small details for something a little more refined. The large and, depending on your viewpoint, gaudy camera module remains on the back, blending into the overall frame of the phone. But the glass now sports a new texture depending on the color. OnePlus is using a massive 6.82-inch 1440p display manufactured by BOE, capable of reaching 1600 nits in high brightness mode and a whopping 4500 nits at peak brightness. It's powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, no surprise there, along with up to a full terabyte of storage and up to 24 gigabytes of RAM. Don't expect to see a number quite that high when the phone does launch in the US and other global regions though. We'll likely see a much more reasonable 16 GB of memory. The good news doesn't stop there. The OnePlus 12 will support USB 3.2 for faster data transfer speeds, perfectly matching the fast charging rates we've come to expect from the brand. Even better though,